A continuación, Lección Educativa de Inglés, séptimo grado. Bloque 2, lengua escrita, lectura. Secuencia 3, step by step. Programa 15, learning and doing. Expectativa de logro. Descubre el orden de las acciones o la secuencia del proceso. Aprende el significado y uso de algunos adjetivos. Adquiere un nuevo vocabulario relacionado con las lecturas.
Bienvenido nuevamente. En esta lección educativa se participará en la elaboración de una manualidad siguiendo las indicaciones de un texto instructivo. The instructive text. Instructions are present in everyday life, both at school and outside of it. You have to think about everyday examples: the telephone repair service or the information service, the search for bank account information through the internet, the ATM, among many other cases. Some characteristics of an instructional text are: they have a special format, development of procedures composed of steps that must be followed to achieve a result. The infinitive, the imperative mode, is used. Turn on the computer, or in personal forms, the computer turns on. Graphic marks such as numbers, asterisks, or hyphens are used to differentiate or sequence the series of steps. Accompaniment of images to reinforce or clarify the steps to follow. Other texts close to the instructions are the regulations and operating rules, which also indicate how to act in a certain place or circumstance. The difference with the instructions is that the goal is not to learn or do something. Now, let's follow the instructions that a video shows us to make a pencil holder. These are the materials you will need: a small, empty, and clean can, cardboard, red, green, and white, scissors, glue and tape, fine black marker, pencil, ruler, one. Cut a strip of green and white cardboard. Two. Put glue on each strip. Three. Glue the strips to the red cardboard. Four. Wrap the cardboard together with the strips in the can. Five. Measure the height of the can. Six. Cut the cardboard according to the measure you took from the can. 7. Check if the cut is tailored. 8. Draw some watermelon seeds on the red cardboard. 9. Draw more seeds. 10. Complete the drawing of the seeds on the entire piece of red cardboard. 11. Draw to your liking on a strip of white cardboard a pair of eyes and a mouth. 12. Color the eyes and mouth you drew. 13. Cut the eyes and mouth already painted. 14. Put glue to the already cut eyes and mouth. 15. Glue the eyes and mouth on the red cardboard, giving it the shape of a face. 16. Stick a piece of tape on one end of the red cardboard. 17. Stick that end of the cardboard on the can. 19. Wrap the cardboard on the can and glue the other end of it. 20. Your pencil holder is finished. 21. Now, enjoy it and use it.